In this video, you will actually learn how to reverse a video on TikTok. This method works in 2021 and it's really good because in December there are a lot of giveaways for codes and they sometimes require you to find a hidden message within a video. So here's how you do it. You select the video, click on the three dots right here, click on save video. As you can see down below, it's loading, it's being saved. Then you want to go on Google and type in reverse a video and find this website, easygift.com. You click on it and you click on this option, choose file. We'll click on the option, click on photo library, select the video we just did, click on choose, and then click this button, upload video. Then you can see the video happening here, but you gotta click on reverse video. When it's reversed, you see it here and you can just download it and do whatever you want with it. Hope this video helped you out. Make sure you give it a like because each like helps me out a lot. See you next one. Bye.